Hello, this video clip shows an exciting capability where you are able to leverage all of your business processes intelligence that are there in your existing Google Sheets or Excel spreadsheets right from within Salesforce without leaving Salesforce while enforcing all of your organizational's authorization and security policies. So as the diagram shows, you can interoperate now using a QLE Plus app. You may be familiar with many of our other capabilities within the QLE Plus app, but if not, there are videos on our App Exchange link, or we can send them to you to demonstrate it. But this video will focus on the capability of interoperating with Sheets. So first of all, how does it work and why are we doing it? Now, as we know, the spreadsheet in general carry a lot of historical and organizational intelligence, and they may have evolved over a number of years. There may be many tabs, data validation tables, macros, formulas, etc. And the issue is that working with spreadsheets is really not conducive because you don't have a single source of truth. So how do you have control and reporting? But what if we could leverage your Google Sheet or an Excel sheet as a calculation engine, which means that now your Google or Excel sheets can look like a function or another capability or another table or an object right from within Salesforce. And you can push information. You can make sure all of the data is pulled into a custom object in Salesforce so that Salesforce can be a single source of truth. And you can at the same time make sure that you have all of the organizational security enforced. So let's just take a look with a real example. You can use this capability with any function within Salesforce, whether it's Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Revenue Cloud, etc., Data Cloud. But we will take the example of a CPQ code, which is one of the more complex use cases. So here's a code, and let me launch our QLE Plus app. The QLE Plus app comes with many other capabilities, including a completely reimagined code line editor and many capabilities such as overcoming overcoming the code line limitation, allowing different people to work on the same code, collaborating. So you are maybe familiar with all of these capabilities and the rich user interface. But today we are going to focus on the interoperability with Google Sheets, or it can be Excel as well. So here's a code. I already have some values over here. On all of these tabs, we are able to expose any object within or outside of Salesforce. Don't worry of the number of tabs because we use this same org for many demos. So you do not have to have so many tabs, but these tabs allow you to pull in any information. So one of them is a Google Sheet. So here's a very simple Google Sheet. And this is a sheet with multiple tabs. So here is a tab which has a list of all products, let us say, and these are the prices. And here's a tab which has the discounts associated with whatever the customer type is. And the idea is this information will be pulled from Salesforce based on the customer type and based on the products that we add. And this information will then be put back into the code line editor of CPQ. So let me go to the Edit Lines tab. And that has actually, in fact, already happened because I already have added these lines and the discounts and everything have already been pulled in. But in order to show it to you, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead to the Google Sheet and I'm going to change the prices. So instead of starting with 610, let me call it 710, 711, drag and drop these down. I happen to know that this customer is a small customer type, so I'm going to change the discount to, let's say, 20%, and let us see what happens. So now I get back to my edit lines and I hit calculate. At this point in time, it is sending this information over to the Google Sheet and pulling it back, and there you go. You see this information, it runs just as if it's a price rule, and now you can see that this entire information is available to you to see within your CPQ code seamlessly and effortlessly. In future videos, we will demonstrate many more complex use cases for which we have received several requests from customers, and we'll be posting more videos. But at any point in time, feel free to reach out to us for more information. You can reach out to us at info@b2b-matrix.com. And yes, this utility is free. So there's no charge to it. It is a free utility. Thank you.